Hello there, and welcome back to my workshop. This is the beginning of my new project. It's going to be a wall shelf. Now I know I just finished up a shaker wall shelf for use in our library over here. This is going to be a piece of workshop furniture. So let's look at the history of this. Years ago, we had this spice rack. It just wasn't working out for us. It's way too small, and some of the jars fit. Some do not, as you can see here. And it also has these rails that go across the front that further block access to the spice rack. So I went and made, I think, a better spice rack. And here it is. See it here. Nice and big, and all the jars fit in there. With the other spice rack, I was crowding everything into a shelf. And you know how that goes. You start searching for things and jars get stuck behind other jars. And pretty soon you wind up finding jars that date back to the Eisenhower administration. So this worked out much better. And at the same time, I made another workshop item. And this is for Joaneen in her workshop. It's identical to the first. The only difference being that it has these French cleats. You can see them here. And this means that the rack, the shelf, can be located anywhere along a rail that she has in her workshop. So it's working out really well. And recently she asked me if I could make another one, same size, height, and width, just a little bit deeper. This is 2.5 inches, and she wants one that's going to be 3.5 inches. So that's our new project. Let's get started. So we're back, and here are our boards. These are readily available at my local home center, and they're already 3.5 inches wide and already 1/2 inch thick. So all I really need to do is put rabbets on the ends for the corner joinery and dados along here for my shelves. Now, you may have noticed that I have a scratchy voice. I've had some throat surgery and it's affecting my voice, but it's only temporary, and I should be back to normal eventually. So all is well there. Now, what we're going to do is skip ahead here and get our Christmas show uploaded because that's coming up very soon. And then in the new year, what we're going to do is continue on with this project here. So stay tuned.